Hey Amazon, welcome back to our RV. We're in the kitchen today, and today we're checking out this Elite Gourmet 2.1 quart oil-free air fryer. I know what you're thinking, 2.1 quart? That's probably pretty small, isn't it? And it is, but these air fryers are perfect for like 1 or 2 people, and they tend to use a little less wattage than the bigger air fryers. So that's a bonus living in an RV where we don't want to draw a lot of watts. Let's take a look at the air fryer a little bit closer. So on top, you have your temperature gauge. You just turn this knob to whatever temperature you want to set. You can see up top here, it gives you some symbols like fish or poultry or steak, and then there's a temperature on top and a time on bottom. So just in case you forget, you know what you need to set it to. In the front, it's got a 30-minute timer. So all you do is turn it to the time that you want it to set on, and it'll start for you. To get everything into the air fryer, all you gotta do is just pull out the basket. And just for a frame of reference, again, this is a small basket. It's perfect for 1 or 2 people. And just to make sure you can clean it thoroughly, the bottom section comes out also. Another thing that's really nice about these air fryers is inside the directions, there's always a little cookbook section. What we really like about this air fryer is the fact that it's small and it's compact. It's just my wife and I, so we don't need a giant air fryer to cook a lot of food for us. It's easy for us to stow it away on travel days. It doesn't take up too much space when we're limited in a kitchen this size. And just in case you're wondering, it does come in a ton of different colors. But if I'm honest, it's not all roses. Like I said, this is small, so it's really nice for a couple or just an individual who wants an air fryer. But would we buy this or recommend this to somebody else? Absolutely. The fact that it comes in multiple colors, small footprint, small size, low wattage, it all works perfectly for us. And as long as you realize this is not going to cook you giant meals, it's really designed for a couple or an individual, you're going to love this air fryer too. As always, Amazon, I hope these reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.